In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the master password in Mozilla Firefox quickly and safely. This is a simple process, but it's important to understand what happens before you do it, because resetting the master password will delete all of your saved website usernames and passwords. So if you rely on Firefox to store logins, make sure you're ready before you continue. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, go to the address bar at the top and type this exact path: Chrome, pipkey, content, reset password, xhtml. Make sure you type it carefully because this is the page that lets you reset the master password inside Firefox. After entering it, press enter on your keyboard. Firefox will take you directly to the reset password page. On this page, you'll see a reset option. Take a moment to read the warning message if it appears, because Firefox is telling you that this action is permanent and will remove stored login information. If you are sure you want to continue, click the reset button. Firefox may ask for confirmation before completing the action, so approve it if prompted. Once the reset is complete, the old master password is removed and Firefox will return to its default password state. Just remember, this also deletes all of your saved website usernames and passwords, so you'll need to re-enter any logins manually the next time you visit those sites. If you had important passwords stored in Firefox, this is why it's always a good idea to back them up or make sure you know the consequences before resetting it. And that's it. You've now reset the master password in Mozilla Firefox. It only takes a few clicks, but the impact is important to understand. If this tutorial helped you out, please give the video a like, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next one.